Hello and welcome to the tutorial on entering hours, recording cost codes, job cost reporting, and the job status view. If you are using QuickBooks Online, the cost codes are managed through that program and you'll not be able to customize them in Workglue. If you're not using QuickBooks Online, we can customize the cost codes however you'd like. We recommend you align these with your current accounting system. Let's go to the custom data page through the support menu and look at our cost codes. You'll want to set up your typical line items, include your costs, and record your sale price. These values are only visible by permission, so be sure to allow only those who need this information. Include a note or description about the items. Mark if the item is a service or a material, and for services, mark interior or exterior. Interior or exterior could be left blank if you don't use these, but service and materials needs to be checked. Now you'll be ready to input your original estimate and eventually change orders. I've created a simple job as an example to get started. Fill in the scope narrative and head down to the bottom of the page to fill in the line items for the job. As you can see, the codes we marked as service or material will pull up hours or a quantity and the costs autofill. These can still be edited if you have further special pricing for any particular estimate. You can drag the line items around to group them as you'd like. A suggestion would be to put labor hour lines at the top and materials at the bottom. When you hit save, the summary circle graph will total the hours and the circle will turn blue as employees clock into the job. As employees clock in and out of this job and the circle fills, the countdown of hours will appear on the mobile app under work order. Check out the specific video on work orders for more information on that. We'll check out a job with hours already recorded. Click the Done set of hours to see the summary by cost codes and the detail by employee. In order for the costs and bill columns to populate, you'll need to enter the employee's pay rate and bill rate under their employee file. You can download the report as a CSV if needed. All of this information will automatically fill based on the employees clocking in and out on the mobile app. If you need to enter hours manually, head to the Employees menu and click Enter Hours. Here you can enter everyone's hours, add the cost code, and assign them to the original estimate or a change order. Use the calendar in the upper right corner to pick a different day. If your crew is utilizing the clock in feature and you need to edit their time, do so under the time clock menu. Check out the time clock video tutorial for more information on that feature. When clocking in and out on the mobile app, the employee chooses the cost code and can add a note. The note could communicate if the work was for a change order, if something out of the ordinary happened, there was a delay, or anything of that sort to let the supervisor know the status of the job. When the supervisor reviews the time clock at the end of the day, the notes will appear and the supervisor can make any adjustments. To get an overall picture of the health of the jobs, click under the Jobs menu and Jobs Status. This report will show all jobs with an active status, and as employees are clocking in and out, the hours will populate. The supervisors should use this status report on the far right to update the progress of the job from the field to make sure everything is on track. A date stamp with the reporter's name will appear. Reviewing and updating hours every day will greatly improve job tracking. Workglue has widgets for the dashboard so you can be aware of jobs that might have issues right away. The active jobs list helps you keep in mind everything going on today and what to expect. These features allow the team to keep a close eye on job progress. This concludes the tutorial. Please reach out to us through the support icon or send us an email at support@workglue.com with any questions. We'll see you next time.